Well folks, let's go and discover some more things of Bremer Bay. I can't wait. So, Bremer Bay, I'm just heading out towards the Point Henry Peninsula. So we've got Fishery Beach, Short Beach, Native Dog Beach, Blossoms Beach, Little Boat Harbour. So I'm just going to have a bit of a look around and see what they're like. And I know the beaches, they're starting to be similar to each other, but I'm just going to give a broad perspective on what you would go and look at if you came to Bremer Bay. Oh my goodness, I've just come over the hill heading down into Blossom Beach. Now it's just, I don't have any words. It's just like, wow, every time you come over a hill, every bay looks better than the last. I mean, this is just an ocean of water, white sand. It is just incredible. So this will be Blossom Beach. How you going? What a beautiful beach, eh? Well folks, this is Blossom Beach. I can't believe how clear the water is. There's a few surfers out there enjoying the waves. It goes from this aqua blue colour, and then obviously as it goes deeper, it turns into a deeper blue colour. Oh, I just can't get over it. Beautiful white crystal sand. Oh. So just checking out another beach that's along here. It's called Native Dog Beach. So we're just having a swizzy here. As I said, they're all very Absolutely stunning. So this is the next little cove in. It's called Native Dog Beach. There's quite a few people surfing down there, so it must be the place to be. And we've got another Prado sitting there in the background. Something awesome. Oh, let's have a look. Like seriously, where'd you get a load of this? Where else in Australia do you just keep walking around or going to the beaches along the coast and each one is just like jaw-dropping? I mean, this is just, look at this. You can't get over it. These are the highlights of Bremer Bay. Check this out. Folks, this place does not stop, does it? Would you check this place out? Just come around the corner to this. Look at this. Bremer Bay, you are turning it on, I tell you. Look at this. So calm here. If you want to come down for a quiet swim, you can even get your car on the beach if you want. Look at this little bay. There's no words. There is no words. Here I am just discovering places of Bremer Bay, and it is putting it on, I tell you. Look at the colour of this water. Absolutely sensational. Check this out, eh? Just check it out. Wow, look at this. It's like your little swimming area. That part with the water. Oh, a bit cold, eh? I can't believe it, eh? My neighbours are back, Ruben's back. He's missing me too much, so he's come back to join me. I've got to go find out where they are, where these guys are. So anyway, unfortunately these poor people have to move to another site. Well folks, in all my excitement of seeing Ruben again, it's not his van. I should look for the MDC, which doesn't have the same style, but it's a different brand name. So anyway. So if you're looking for a good place to stay, I actually would recommend the Bremer Bay Caravan Park. Plenty of room, plenty of space. Facilities are great. Definitely, no complaints here. Bremer Bay Caravan Park. If you've got time, I would recommend the brewery as well. Go and grab, if you like a bit of a good beer, make sure you go down there. They make some really nice pizzas. If you're someone that likes to read reviews on Google before you go somewhere, disregard them for that place, because I think a few people get their knickers in a knot and they go home and they get on their keyboards and they're the keyboard warriors. I did have a chat to the staff there about some of the reviews. If you got a complaint about something or your food's not quite right, wouldn't you not go and talk about it then and there on the spot and give those people an opportunity to rectify the issue rather than just walking out and getting on the old Google reviews and putting in a bad review? No, so no complaints there. Food was good, beer was good. But if you walk into a brewery and you're going to ask for a glass of wine, I think you're in the wrong place. If you're looking for a good beer, you'd go to a brewery. That's my idea anyway. Now, Reuben, I thought I got rid of you, mate. Hey? You been following me or what? Hadn't I already said goodbye to you?
Yeah. But mate,
You were following me for that coffee, weren't you?
have a crack at that. Well, you're some sort of coffee connoisseur.
Oh, mate, I love it.
And, you know, as soon as I see you again, it's like, hey, Mike, can I have a coffee, please, mate?
He's only up to me from the other side of the caravan park, just about. So what's the go, mate? Are you stalking me or what, mate?
Well, we missed the accommodation that you could book for us.
Yeah.
And we had to call in another favour because we couldn't find accommodation and said, Mike, where are you? And you said, I'm Bremer Bay. I said, can you ask them if they've got any spots? So you saved the day again, mate.
Mate, I had to work the magic again, didn't I, mate?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, you're missing magic, Mike, aren't you? Well, you enjoy that coffee, mate.
I will do, mate.
Good to see you again.
Absolutely.
And
Thank you.
I won't say it's missing you slightly, but might have been missing a little bit. I am on Gardner South Road, and I am heading towards a town called Hopetown, and then on to Esperance. So behind me is Bremer Bay. Here I am, trekking towards Esperance. As I said, I'm going to duck into a little town called Hopetown, check it out, and then we're going to check out Esperance. I've got 2 nights there, 1 day, before I start heading up to the air highway. Can you believe it? Well and truly overdue for a bit of a wash. So look at this, eh? It's a caravan and car wash. How awesome is that? You get your diesel here as well. I figured I'm overdue for a bit of a wash up, so there you go. Give the caravan a bit of a treat. Look at this. I can't believe it. I just stumbled across it. Look at that. You can have a hot shower even. How cool is that? So here we go. I'm going to give it a bit of a spring clean. Just a quick one. Here am I at a car wash at Hopetown. And look, I found myself a new subscriber. There you go. Grab one of them.
Thanks so much.
And what are you up to? You're just washing the old car there?
I've just knocked off work.
Oh, laughing.
Ready for my days off.
Cool. Awesome. Well, thank you for the support.
No, anytime.
Yeah.
I look forward to having a watch.
Yeah.